first graders. Okay, so it is Monday. We are going to do a lot of stuff today, so you want to move very quickly. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to my HSD2 portal page. You're going to click on the red McGraw-Hill button. You're going to click on Wonders Grade 1, and then this picture on the left of your crab. You're looking for 2 assignments today. The first assignment is this song. It's a grammar song, and it's all about sentences. You're looking for this button first. Listen to the song, because it'll teach you how to complete the grammar activity over here. So both of these are in the Wonders assignment. The grammar activity, I'm going to show you what it looks like. It looks like this. So you're going to be checking, so it says find the error. Select the word that needs to be changed or that needs punctuation after it. Then choose the proofreading symbol that will fix the error. So it says, I see a tan bat. I know that the beginning of a sentence needs to be capitalized, so I'm going to look for this uppercase. This says uppercase, so I click there, it turns it uppercase. And then I know the end of a sentence needs a period. So I'm going to fix those 2 things and get checked.
Good job.
And it says I did well. I click next, and there are 20 sentences for you to correct. Next, after you're finished with that, you're going to come back to your Canvas page, because underneath it is a story. I'm going to read this story out loud to you in this recording, and then in Lumio there are some questions you're going to be answering. Do your best to try and get everything done. If you're starting to run out of time and you're in the grammar section and you have like 10 left or something and you want to stop after 10, that is totally okay. All right, have a great rest of your day.